Hi my dear students, geometry, next chapter we will do. So this is the second chapter, Pythagoras Theorem, and the exercise which we are going to do, that is 2.1. But before exercise, uh, we have to learn some theorem which are used just as a formula. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 theorem are very useful for the exercise 2.1. So let's begin with it. As you know very well, Pythagoras theorem आपको बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है, I hope. फिर भी मैं उसको क्लियर कर देता हूँ. The first one I have written the Pythagoras theorem, how we have to apply it. So let's begin. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, what is compulsory? There is always 90-degree angle. You can see over here the angle B is 90 degree. So whatever the triangle is mentioned, there will be one angle which is measured 90 degree. So now, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Or you can say how we have to write like a formula. So just opposite to 90 degree. The side which is opposite to 90 degree, that is called hypotenuse. That one you have to write at the first. As you can see, AC square, and then is equal to other two sides you have to write. Sum of their square you have to write. So you can see the side opposite to 90 degree you have to write at the first, whether the value of this side is given or not, because this is the theorem. You have to apply as it is, like formula. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the first theorem. You have learned in its before in the earlier standard also. Now these three are new for you. The second one is geometric mean theorem, or you can say theorem of geometric mean. Now what do you mean by geometric mean? Means middle. So you can see over here in a triangle ABC, the middle angle is B, which is 90 degree, and there will be a perpendicular drawn from this point. The name of perpendicular is BD. BD is perpendicular on hypotenuse AC. So whenever you see the diagram like this, the line is drawn from 90 degree and there is another 90 degree sign over there. So that is called geometric mean, and it is not compulsory that these two will be equal. It is not compulsory. They may be equal or may not be. It means this one can be equal or this one can be larger or smaller as comparing to CD. So the theorem is square of the mean, which is BD. So square of BD is equal to where it is perpendicular, AD into CD. Simple. This is very useful. So BD square is equal to AD into CD. Next one, that is called 30, 60, 90 degree theorem. Why this name is given 30, 60, 90 degree theorem? Because when you have to apply this theorem, then you will see that in a given triangle, the three angles are mentioned, 30, 60 and 90 degree. Sometime maybe two angles are given, 30 and 90, and third angle is missing. Okay, there is no big problem about that, because as you know very well, the sum of the measure of the angle of triangle is always 180 degree. If you know two angle, if you know the measurement of two angle, you can easily find out the third one. Okay, so there may be all value given or may not be, two value are given, you can find your third one. So whenever you come to know that the angle of the triangle are 30, 60 and 90 degree, wherever 60 may be a here and 30 may be there, but if the angles are 30, 60 and 90, then you can apply this theorem, or we can say formula. Now what is the formula of this? The side opposite to 60 degree, the side which is opposite to 60 degree, that make the first formula, and the side which is opposite to 30 degree, that makes the another formula. You can see over here the side opposite to 60 degree, we will begin with that. So the side opposite to 60 degree, the name is PQ. So you can see over here PQ is equal to, and this is the formula, you have to by heart it, root 3 upon 2 of hypotenuse. You can see hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree, that is PR. So the formula is PQ is equal to root 3 upon 2 of PR. Similarly, side opposite to 30 degree. But this angle is 30 degree, so the side opposite is QR. So QR is equal to half. Here we have to by heart half. The side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. So make it very simple. The side which is opposite to 60 degree, that is root 3 upon 2 of hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to 30 degree, that is half of hypotenuse. For example, hypotenuse is 16. So, and they asked to find out QR, which is opposite to 30 degree. So what is the formula? Half of hypotenuse. If hypotenuse is 16, then this will be 8 if you apply the formula. Okay, we will solve some example also, and then we will go to the exercise 2. So the last one is 45, 45, 90 degree. As I mentioned over here, 30, 60, 90. Now here we will notice the three angles are 45, 45, 90. So what you have to do, then you will find out that the angles are 45, 45 and 90 degree. It means you have to apply this formula. AB means side opposite to 45 degree. As you can see, both the angles are 45. So that's why I have written over here. This is the side opposite to 45 degree, and this one also opposite to 45 degree. So it is same. But the main thing is the side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 of hypotenuse. Just 1 upon root 2 of hypotenuse. Okay, we'll solve the sum also. And once you find the one side, for example, if you got the value of BC, the same value will be here. As you know very well, if the angles are equal in a triangle, in any diagram, in a triangle, if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. That is called isosceles triangle theorem. So these are the four theorem: Pythagoras geometric mean theorem, the next one 30, 60, 90 degree, and the last one is 45, 45, 90 degree theorem. Now we'll take one sum of each. Let's begin with the first one. Any side can be missing. Okay, it is not compulsory always you have to find out the hypotenuse. You are now in 10th standard, so any side may be missing, but the value of two sides will be always given. Then you can find out the third one. So just for example, this is the triangle and these are the measurement length. We can say the length of AB and AC is given, and now you have to find out the value of BC. Okay, so we can write in right angle triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, always you have to write the name of the triangle at the first, and then you have to write the reason. Reason is very important in geometry. So otherwise you can get 0 marks over there. So reason very important, not in algebra but in geometry is very, you can say it is compulsory. So at the first we will mention the reason also by Pythagoras theorem, and now we will find out the value of third side. Apply the formula, एकदम simple है. Angle opposite to 90 degree. So AC square AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is the formula. So wait a minute. Okay, so this is the, I have written the theorem. Now we will substitute the value. So value of AC is 20, AB 12 and BC missing. So square of 20 400, square of 12 144. Now we have to find out BC. So leave alone one side. 400 minus 144. Okay, the number one side and the value which you have to find out, leave alone one side. Now subtract it, you will get 256. But this is the value of BC square. Now we will find out the BC. As you know, very simple. We have to take square root. So the value is 16. Simple. See the next sum. Example for geometric mean. Okay, let's see. Now second example. So we are taking the example by our own. So now we have to find out the BD. Okay, this one we have to find out. As you can see in the diagram, which is matched to this one. Okay, so geometric mean. So whenever you will find out 290 degree angle, but similar to this diagram. So in right angle triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, you have to mention the perpendicular also, and then you can apply by theorem of geometric mean. So what is the theorem of geometric mean? This one you have to write in square. VD square is equal to AD into DC. Okay, you can see over here VD square is equal to AD into DC. Like this you have to apply. So this one is 9 and this one 4. 9 4s are 36. So by taking square root we will get BD. The value is 6. As you can see, I have written the reason as well as the name of the triangle. So whatever these all will be given in the question, you can write over there, but reason you have to write by your own. So next example, third one. Okay, let me write. So now third example, you can see the diagram ABC, the angles are given 30, 60, 90. You have to mention this one. Triangle ABC is a 30, 60, 90 degree angles triangle. Okay, so this triangle is of 30, 60, 90 degree angles. First of all, you have to mention this one. Then you can apply. First of all, both we have to find out. AB as well as BC we have to find out. I am going to find out BC first. So BC is opposite to 30 degree. So what is the formula for 30 degree? Half of hypotenuse. So side opposite to 30 degree, which is BC, half of hypotenuse. You have to write over here side opposite to 30 degree. So AC is 10. You can cancel it. You will find out 5. So BC is 5. Similarly, we will find out the side opposite to 60 degree, which is AB. So AB is equal to root 3 upon 2 of AC. You have to write over here side opposite to 60 degree. So AC is 10, as you can see over there, 2 5s are 10. So 5 root 3. So just you have to apply the formula and substitute the value, you will get the answer. So and the unit, remember this one. If the unit is given centimeter meter, as you know very well in algebra also we have studied, whatever the unit are mentioned you have to write those unit, otherwise you can write unit. For example, I haven't given over there 10 centimeter or that, so you can write unit. So this is 30, 60, 90 degree theorems. Some. Now the last one, 45, 45, 90. Okay. Now the last question number 4, 45, 45, 90 degree. As you can see, I have mentioned over there 45, 45, 90 degree angles are given. So first of all, I have to write the triangle's name. Triangle ABC is 45, 45, 90 degree angles triangle. And now we can apply the theorem. So what is the theorem? 1 upon root 2 of hypotenuse. So let's take any side. As you know, both the sides are opposite to 45 degrees, so you can find out any side and the same value for the second side. So I will take first AB. AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 of AC. So like this, and now over here we have to write side opposite to 45 degree. Now substitute the value. Which value we know? AB or AC? Right? AC. So now try to cancel. Can you cancel this one? No, you can't. So leave it like this. But in geometry, most of the cases as well as in the algebra, you can't write your answer in root on the place of denominator. So there is one method, if you remember in 9th standard, rationalize. Okay, right, rationalize. Now what we have to do in rationalize? You have to multiply with the same number. Okay, if you got root 2 on the place of denominator, any number, then you have to multiply with the same number. As you know the rule of maths, if you are multiplying with any number in the denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator also. Now 6 root 2 on the place of numerator, and denominator root 2, root will be cancelled if the numbers are same within the root. So root 2 multiply करोगे, you will get only 2. So 2 3 is 6. Your answer is 3 root 2. AB as well as BC. So over here you can also write BC is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, both the sides are same. Now it's not compulsory that all the time the value of the hypotenuse will be given. There may be side opposite to 45 degree may be given. For example, I'll take little bit changes in this question. For example, over here I'll take 6. I'll take here 6. So now apply the formula. Those things you can write 45 degree 90 triangle, and after that AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 AC. Over here you can write the reason. Now this time I have taken AB 6. For example, hypotenuse is not given, you have to find out the hypotenuse. So in this case, same formula you have to apply, just you have to write the value whatever is given. So here AB is given, which is 6. And now what we can do? Very good. Cross multiplication. So AC 6 root 2. So the information may be like this, hypotenuse is given or you have to find out. So no need to worry, just apply the theorem. Whatever the values are given, substitute it, and whatever will be missing that you can find out, leave alone one side. So till then, bye bye, see you tomorrow. Now good night. अच्छे से करो.